Okay. So today we need three tools for our class. Number one, Zoom, which you already have. Second, we need R, and third, we need RStudio. What is R and RStudio? Here I will tell you its definition, and I will explain and I will show you the difference between R and RStudio after installation process. So R is a programming language. Programming language. RStudio is the IDE, Integrated Development Environment. These are the definitions for R and RStudio. So for this complete training, we need these two tools. We already have Zoom, but we need to install R and RStudio. So first we will install, first we will download and then install. So for downloading, all participants please come on Google. Now you will do practice with me. Open Google Chrome. All participants, please open Google Chrome and type here R CRAN and search it. It will show you a website, Comprehensive R Archive Network. Here is the R 4.4.2 for window, R for Mac. So I have a window, and hopefully maximum participant have window. So I am clicking on window. If you have Mac, you can click on R for Mac. Now we are going to download R for window. Click on it. It will give you another page like this. I am sending the link of this page in group so that all participants can easily get access to this website. Here is the link in the group, in both group, in register as well demo group. No, you need to click on download button, download R 4.4.2 for window. Click on it. When you click on it, it will ask you where you want to save this file. Select location. I am going to select local disk E. Select this one, and here is the save button. Click on save button. It is showing me I already have this version of R. So first we need to remove, or I need to replace. So do you want to replace? Click on yes, because I already have this file. Yes. When I click on yes button, it will show me a download button in at right top corner of Google Chrome. So here is the download button and showing me just 2 minutes for downloading. So please all participants start downloading process and type done or downloading. So my process have been started, so I am typing here download it. Downloading. I am downloading. Please all participant give response. If you are downloading start, please type downloading. Now I am waiting for your reply. And in my case, it is showing me just 32 or 20 seconds. Some participant who's from batch 67 have already this package, but some participant are from batch 68 are new and have not any R and RStudio, so I think they need to download and install. No, in my case, it is downloaded. Here is the button. When you click on it, it will show you R4.4.2 WinExe. Click on this file. When you click on it, it will ask you, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Click on Yes button. When you click on Yes button, it will show you an option. Select Setup Language. Select the language to use during the installation. So language by default is English. So select and press OK button. It will give you another page. This is the general information about R. About R. So if you want to read, you can read. Otherwise, you need to ignore and move to next step. Click on next button. Now here R asking you want to change its location or it is okay by default. So by default it will be installed in C drive. So I am okay. So click next button. Already exists. It is showing me I have already this package. Would you like to install to that folder anyway? Uh, I mean I have already this package, this software, this tool. But R is asking again, do you want to install it again? So click on yes button. Maybe you don't have this message because you are installing it first time. So click on finish. When you click on finish button, next, it start installation process. You don't need to customize anything. Just press next, next, and next button. RCRAN mean actually here is the name. RCRAN is Comprehensive Archive Network. It is the official website of R. It is the storehouse of R. RCRAN mean the Comprehensive R archive network. R can mean uh, you can say it is the house, it is the shop of R. You can get each and everything about R from this website. Okay, now I have done one tool. I have installed one tool, that is R, successfully. Now I need another tool named RStudio. So I have installed R. Now I want to install RStudio. So first we need to download and then we install. So for installation, click on this button, open new tab, click on Google Chrome and open new tab and paste here RStudio and download. So here is the RStudio desktop, first website, which is official website of RStudio. I am also sending the link of this website within group. Copy and share in group. Batch 68. Okay. Now you need to download this tool, RStudio. When you open this website, RStudio desktop, it will give you two options. One, install R, and second, install RStudio. It will give you two options. First is install R and second install RStudio. So we need to install RStudio from here because the version of R is the oldest at this website, and the new version of R is available on our CRAN website. So click on download RStudio desktop for window. Click on it. It will ask you location where you want to save this file. Select any location on your PC and click on save button. When you click on save button, downloading button will appear in your desktop in your browser as like me, and it is showing me just only 4 or 3 minutes. So all participants please start downloading process. If you are facing any issue or any confusion, you can ask me anytime. No, in my case, downloading process have been started. So I am typing here, downloading started. Downloaded, downloading started. It's been downloading process have been start. So all participants please. So please all participants, if you have done downloading process, type done. Okay, maximum participant have type done. Now just few seconds left in my case. Only 16 seconds. Okay, in my case, RStudio have been downloaded. Now I need to install. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. When you click on yes button, it will again show you RStudio is currently running. Please close it before installing a new version. So in my case, I have already opened RStudio. So first I need to close it, close, and try it again. I am trying again. When you click on yes button, it will give you the setup information. So welcome to RStudio setup. Setup will guide you through the installation of RStudio. Click on next button, install. It is a very simple, just within two step. First, uh, select location where you want to install, and second, click on install button. But it will take 2 or 3 minutes for installation. So we need to wait until this installation process completed. Yes, after this you will get a message. Complete RStudio setup and click on finish. Now I have installed both tools R and RStudio. So all participants please confirm me. Have you both tools R and RStudio? So if you have both tools and all these are in working conditions, type yes, have both, as like have both, so that I can move to next step if we have both tools. Okay, the answer of the maximum participant is yes. So I want to move to next step. Next step, you need to confirm your R and RStudio is working or not working. So for this, first you need to confirm R and second RStudio. So to confirm R, click on R in your desktop. Open your desktop and find icon of R and find the icon of R. Here is the icon of R. R 4.4.2. Click on this. It will show you a page like this, a single page with only limited options. It is R programming. No, it's working in my case. No, I need to confirm. Second tool. There is no icon for RStudio in desktop. There is no icon for RStudio in desktop. So to open RStudio, you need to come on your Windows search bar. Here is a search bar button. Click here. When you click on search bar button, it will show you some applications, but you need to type here RStudio. When you type here RStudio, it will show you RStudio app. You also have a RStudio exe file, but we need to open RStudio app. When you click on it, it will show you preview like this. So all participants please open both tools R and RStudio and confirm it is working or giving you some notification or some error. So please, before moving to next step, we first need to confirm your R and RStudio both are in working conditions. You maybe have screens like this. So in my case, it is in working condition. There is no error, no warning message. So I am typing here, it's working. If it does not open or show you an error or warning message, you need to let me know. I will resolve this issue. So please all participants reply. Don't worry, I have also 3 screens. You just need to confirm it is when you click on it for to open this app, it uh, is opened without any error. When if you have issue, you can let me know. I will allow you for sharing screen, and you can also open your mic for issue discussion. I will resolve your issue, then I will move to next step. If you are facing any issue, you can type a message facing error, facing warning message, or unable to move to next step. Let me know. I will resolve this issue. There is a message from Rana Saif, can't see your shared screen. Please let me know. No, it's okay, or again, not visible. Okay, Elias Khan, kindly open your mic. Elias Khan, kindly open your mic.
जी अस्सलामुअलैकुम
Walaikum salam, and also share your screen. I have allowed you. Please share your screen. Please share it again.
ओके
Ilyas Khan, kindly share your screen.
Okay.
Click on share button.
Okay, I share my
Yes,
screen
it's
right
working.
now.
No. Yes, let me know. Where is an issue?
Here you can see the message, right? This one.
External pointer is not a valid. Okay, it is. You can clean it with brush button.
With which button?
Yes, in screen number 1. Here is the brush button.
This one.
No, no, no. This one.
Oh, this one. Okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Now click on this maximize button above the brush button. Above the brush button. Yes. Okay, good. Now you have 4 screens.
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Mm.
No, maximum participant have 3 screens, but some participant have 4 screens. Don't worry. If you have 3 screens, click on maximize button. It will show you 4 screen. Now I have 4 screens in my PC. If you click again on maximize button, it will show you 3 screen. If again click on maximize button, it will show you 4 screens, 3 screens and 4 screens. Now I have 4 screens in my laptop or PC, so it's okay. No. Now next question is, what is the difference between R and RStudio? What is the what is the difference between R and RStudio? R is the programming language, while IDE is the integrated development environment. Now I want to explain this difference with the help of with the help of an simple example. For example, Rana Saif, kindly open your mic.
Hello.
Yes. Sir, I have a few questions from
Mm-hmm.
you. So please answer these questions. Okay. For example, you have 2 cars.
Mm-hmm.
There is car one car is like this, and other car is like this. This car consists of only engine, working
Mm-hmm.
engine, seat, handle, and necessary things for driving. Its name is car A. Its name is car B.
Mhm.
Your supervisor say, or you want to drive, or you want to move from your home to your office. Here is your home, here is office, and the distance between home to office is 30 kilometer.
Okay.
Which car you want to use, you want to drive from your home to your office? Car A or car B?
Car A. Okay.
Car B is okay. You choose car B. Please other participant also reply within chat which car you want to prefer. Car B. Okay. No, Rana Saif, I want to ask another question. Why you choose? Why you not choose car A? What is the reason?
There can be many reasons. One is because car A just have some basic like functions, but
Yes.
car B has more functions.
Okay.
Easy,
And
less people.
okay. No, I want. It's good answer, but I want to add something more.
Mhm.
If you drive car A from home to office, you may face rain. You may face dust. You may
Yes,
face sunlight. You
yes.
may face cold wind. You may face noisy environment. So your main task is driving or traveling from one location to other location. And when you use this car, you may face lot of hurdles, unnecessary hurdles like
Mm,
rain, dust, sunlight, cold wind, and other hurdles you can face when you drive this car. But when you drive this car, you can ignore all these hurdles. There is no issue for rain. There is no issue of dust. There is no issue of cold wind. There is no issue of noise. So your journey will be smooth and comfortable.
mm,
So that's why you choose car B. But if I say there is no engine in car B, it is just a frame.
mhm.
No, you have only one option,
Yes.
car A. You have only one option, car A.
Okay.
So car B is just a frame, just a body. There is no any engine in this car. So car A is the R programming. Car B is the R studio.
Okay.
No, you can drive this car without body.
Mhm.
Yes or no?
Uh, you can drive, but
Yes,
it's not
we can
comfortable.
drive. We can, if not other possibilities, then we can drive it.
Yes.
It will work. We can drive this car without frame. If there is no any frame around this, we can also drive this car. But
Yeah.
this is a frame. We can't drive a frame
Yeah.
without engine. We can drive engine without frame, but We can't drive frame without engine. Clear?
Yes.
So this engine is the R. This engine is the R, and this frame is the RStudio.
Mhm.
But if we pick, if we take this engine and fit into car B, no, it is in working condition.
Yes.
But this is only a frame. Actually, when we drive car B, engine of car A will work.
Mhm.
So if similarly R is the engine and RStudio is the frame. If we work on R directly as in car B, if we drive car A without frame, we may face a lot of hurdles. Similarly, if we run R without frame, we may face a lot of hurdles. This frame provides us a comfortable zone. So R is the engine, RStudio is the frame. We fit R within this frame. No, we are in comfortable zone. RStudio is the frame which provide us a comfortable zone.
Okay.
Clear?
Mhm.
So R is
Yeah.
the engine, RStudio is simple a frame. You can perform analysis in R without this frame, without RStudio. As like you can drive this engine without frame, but
Mhm.
can't drive frame without engine.
Yes.
Similarly, you can drive R without frame, without RStudio, but you can't drive RStudio without R.
Without all.
So R is the engine and RStudio is the frame. Now hopefully clear. Or if you have any question, you can ask.
No questions.
Okay,
Thank you.
clear. Okay, now we need to confirm the engine of R is incorporated into RStudio or not. Click on this maximize button. It will show you 4 screens. It will show you 4 screens. So here is screen number 1. This is screen number 1. This is 2, 3, and 4. It is screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, and screen number 4. Screen number 1 and 2. So you can confirm your R. You can check in screen number 2. Below terminal, there is R 4.4.2 is incorporated into RStudio, is adjusted into RStudio. No, RStudio is the frame and the engine is R. We will drive R within the frame of RStudio. So if clear, please type clear. If you have any question, you can ask. If clear, what is yes, Elias Khan, kindly open your mic.
Yes,
You
Satish
have a
bhai.
very interesting question. Your question is why we need these both if R can work without RStudio.
Yes.
As similarly, you can drive engine without frame, but we feel uncomfortable. We may face lot of hurdles, lot of errors.
Okay.
Okay, so if you
Yes.
run R without RStudio, you may face irrelevant errors. which need to face to programmers, not data analysts. So for comfortable zone, we will use RStudio so that we ignore rain, we ignore sunlight, we ignore heavy storm or thunderstorms. So we use RStudio for a comfortable zone for reliable work.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now you have four screens: screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, and screen number 4. And these and these screens have some specific name. As start, I have tell you the definition of R. R is the programming language, and each and every language have vocabulary. So R also have vocabulary and grammar. So first we need to learn its vocabulary. For example, here you can see a word hashtag with all lines. Here you can see a hashtag with all lines. What is mean by hashtag? Hashtag mean heading. What is the difference between hashtag mean heading? So here is the line. What is the difference between R and RStudio? It is heading. RStudio ID, it is also heading. It is also heading. So hashtag mean heading, comments, notes. Heading, comments, notes. So here I am giving hashtag, it's mean heading. Screen number 1. Screen number 2. Screen number 3. And screen number 4. All these screen have some specific name and specific role. For example, screen number 1 name is script file. Screen number 2 name is console. Screen number 3 name is global environment. Screen number 4 name is plot or packages file. Plot or packages file. Screen number 1 name script file. Screen number 2 name console. Screen number 3 name global environment, and screen number 4 mean plot or packages. No, all these 4 screens have some specific role, some specific function, some specific work. For example, screen number 1 will used for writing a script, for writing script. Screen number 2 will used for will give you answer will give you result in the form of table or paragraph. Screen number 3 show you files. For example, your data set on which you want to perform analysis, and screen number 4 will show you the plots and packages. So what are these packages? What are the result? We will discuss on it in our next class. No, because we just have 6 minutes and topic is lengthy. Which covered within minimum 20 or 30 minutes. So I want to cover it in tomorrow class. So please, all participant confirm today lecture is clear. If you have any questions related to today task, you can ask. If clear, please type clear within Zoom chat. For erasing from screen number 1, as Control A, select all and press delete button. You can erase. The maximum time for class is 1 hour. Yes, we will work in detail in tomorrow class. You just need to understand name. I will perform and show you the work of each and every screen in tomorrow class. Screen number 1 used for writing a script. Screen number 2 will give you the result. Screen number 3 show you data set. Screen number 4 show you plot. For example, I give you a simple example, but you don't need to copy. Just listen and watch. Data, iris. When I run, it show me the data set in screen number 3. You can check. Data set appeared in screen number 3, name iris, and its table appeared in screen number 3. Sorry, screen number 2. No, if you want to write plot iris and run, it show you plot in screen number 4. So screen number 1, in screen number 1 you will write script. In screen number 2, result will be shown in the form of table and sentence. Screen number 3 show you data set, and screen number 4 show you plots. But we will work on it in detail in our tomorrow class, so don't worry. Okay. Yes, I will share the recording of this class tomorrow early morning. So because I have 4 classes consecutively, and I will upload all these 4 classes at early morning. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.